Hey everyone, it's Melody with Design by Melody. I am here today. Just thought I'd pop in to share a quick haul as well as share the items that I've used up. And these things that are in this haul, this has taken me over a month to accumulate. So as you can see, I'm really not purchasing very much. I'm really relying on my monthly kits to really do the in my stash to do the primary amount of my scrapbooking and crafting. But I do have a decent amount of things used up. So I thought I'd just go ahead and share it with you, even though it's not terribly exciting. So let me share with you the items I used up first. And then I'll share with you the items that I have purchased. So there's a lot of adhesive in here. I am officially deciding to be done with these thickers. I actually really like them, but as you can see, they're curling and they are no longer sticky. Like, they're sticking to each other, but they're like rubber thickers. And I have a whole bunch of letters that I've kind of cut apart and used. Funny enough, I actually have an A left, and that's not usually one of those letters you end up with. But I have a few numbers and just a few letters and some punctuation, but then that's pretty much it for this whole entire thicker packet. So I'm officially going to be done with this, and it's primarily because I just can't use these letters anymore. I actually could use the letters if they were sticky and working, but they're just not, and they're just curling and just not really useful. So these are the Amy Tangerine thickers in the cut out font in charcoal, and I absolutely love these. These were like one of my favorite thickers. So that's done. I also used up some acrylics from Big Picture classes. Just threw that in there so I can remember to tell you that. And I used up an acrylic from Ellie's Studio, 2017 one. I also used up a full package of enamel dots, and I used up some twine. So the rest of this is adhesive. I had red line sticky tape. I use a lot of double-sided tape in my regular crafting. Not necessarily scrapbooking, but regular crafting. So I've got 8 spools of that here. And then I've got 4 spools of, or 4 refills for my glue runner. So that's everything, but I was very pleased with that because it does show that I'm using my stash. All of these things have been in my stash. And by the amount of adhesive I have, you can tell I've been doing things. So that's all my used up items. Now I want to share with you what I purchased. And some of these things are for a giveaway. I'm sending some happy mail to a friend. So, and she watches my videos. So some of these things are going to my friend. But the first thing is these Tim Holtz Ideology Tiny Attacher Refills. I went ahead and purchased some more of those, which I've already taken them out and used them. But I did purchase some of those. I also purchased some of these American Crafts XOXO washi tape. They were $2.99, and I seriously just could not pass them up. So I think I might split these with a friend, but there are 8 rolls here. 2 of them are glitter, and then the rest are regular washi tape. And it looks like the glitter, there's no glitter in the package, so I'm going to assume that it's the glitter that doesn't fall off, which is the better type. I also have these Studio Calico 7 paper vellum stars, and I love these. There's 18 of them in there. They're really, really cute. You got outlined ones, like doodled ones, and then you've got solid ones. So I really think those are cute. I also got this. So I kind of caved and purchased this, and I've been wanting this. Even though I don't share my planner spreads with you guys very often. I do have a planner, but I really was thinking, after watching people use these in planners, thought I had finished. After watching people use these in planners, I really thought that these would be helpful to have for scrapbooking as well. So I went ahead and purchased one, and I stood in Michael's and debated about which one, because there's about 10 different options. I debated about which one for a good 15 minutes. But I settled on this one, which is the wellness one. I felt like this was the most useful for scrapbooking. But I also feel like I would use it in my planner as well. Oh, and I think somebody's opened this because there's a ripped one. Or that could have happened in manufacturing. There's actually a couple ripped ones. Well then. I used a 50% off coupon on this. So you've got hexagons here with a whole bunch of different sayings. You've got checklists, like 3 things this week, I think these are like to checklists to get done, like to-do list. Then you've got trackers here. Then you've got just, these are just trackers, but I love that they're all different colors, and it has the little circles for you to check off. But I thought these would be really nice to use as labels on scrapbook pages, especially since they're in all different kinds or colors. And then these are just banners, and it says things like go with the flow, present over perfect, time for some R&R. I just thought those would be really good for scrapbooking as well. So I'm going to keep these. There's 5 sticker rolls in here. Put these back in here. So I'm going to keep these kind of at the ready because I think those are really kind of cute to have. So there's those. And it tells you here there's 136 of those, 112 of the hexagons, 16 of the like sidebar trackers, 64 of the little banners, and 32 of the like checklists. So I got those. To figure out, I might take them out of these little boxes, but they are kind of cute. I got these Amy Tangerine Remarks typed transparent letter stickers, and there's 2 sides, and I actually love the colors of this side. I really like this one too, but this is the side that actually drew me to this, and it's got a bunch of different things on here, so I thought that was cute. That was $1 actually at the dollar store. I was kind of shocked to see that at the dollar store. Then I got this because I just like a sucker for stationery, and this was 40% off, so it was I think like $3.53 or $4. I think it was $4. And it's called Backyard Table. It's that collection. It's the Recollections brand. It's just a writing set. You've got address labels, really pretty cards, and then the actual paper. Then, and this is also going to be split with a friend. These are some puffy hearts from Bella Boulevard, and they had these at Tuesday morning. So I got Oreo Black, Ice Mix, Pickle Juice Mix, and Macintosh Mix. And there are, does it say how many? No, it doesn't say how many, but there are a lot in here. Look at those. They're really pretty. I like those. And then the very last thing I purchased is this 6x8 paper pad. It's called Secrets of the Sea. It's Bella Boulevard again, and I just thought this was the cutest paper pad, and this is actually for my friend as well, but I'm gonna go ahead and share it because I think it's super cute, and I really want to keep it, but I really don't need it. So I purchased it for her, but it's just super cute, and I think it's lovely. I love the bright colors in here. So there's that one. I really like this paper that has all the red hearts. I mean red fish, and then it's got a few blue fish in there. So there's that one. So that's everything that I purchased. Not a whole lot. Just a few things here and there. But I have been working with my kits very much here recently. So continue to stay tuned for the videos. You guys are going to see some of these products in play, I'm sure, over the next couple weeks, because I usually like to use my new stuff as soon as I get it. But then also keep an eye out, because I'm not sharing these hauls monthly because I'm not buying a whole lot right now. But my little used up bin is filling up a lot quicker than my haul box is. So keep an eye out for the next video. Alright guys, thanks. Bye.